When we think of student loan debt, we often picture young adults just starting out. But did you know that millions of Americans over 60 are still carrying those loans, either for themselves or their children? Today, we'll discuss how student loan debt can affect estate planning for seniors. Hi, I'm Tom Shanahan of Shanahan PC. If you're looking to protect your assets and make informed decisions for your future, be sure to subscribe for more estate and elder law insights. Let's start with the facts. Seniors may hold student loan debt from loans they took out for their own use many years ago earlier in their life. Parent Plus loans they co-signed or borrowed for their children, and private loans that they co-signed for with a grandchild or other relative or close friend could also continue after age 60. So what happens to this debt if you pass away? For federal student loans, the good news is that they are usually discharged upon the borrower's death. That means if you borrowed the loan in your name, your estate or heirs typically won't be responsible for those student loans. A proof, like a death certificate, must be submitted to close the account and file. However, Parent Plus loans may complicate things. If you're the borrower and you pass away before the loan is fully repaid, it's typically discharged. But if you co-sign a private student loan, it may become the responsibility of your estate, or even the co-signer, depending on the loan terms and the state laws. That's why it's crucial to list all student loans and co-signed debts in your estate plan. Review also loan agreements, especially private loans, to understand the repayment and survivorship clauses. They sound complicated, but we can help guide you through that and what they mean. Also, update your power of attorneys to allow your agent to manage or negotiate these debts if you become incapacitated. More than likely, lenders will negotiate under certain circumstances. You want to take advantage of that. Also, consider life insurance or other financial tools to ensure the loan is paid off. And remember, debt doesn't automatically transfer to your loved ones, but your estate can be liable, potentially reducing the assets passed down. So if you're a senior and still managing senior student debt or helping a family member with theirs, estate planning is even more important. Contact us as Thomas T. Shanahan PC to create a plan that protects your assets and gives you peace of mind. If this video was helped and helped clarify things for you, subscribe for more instructional videos and help spread the word. We'll see you next time.